The BMW i7 M70 is a testament to the future of luxury driving. With its dual electric motors, this electric sedan delivers an exhilarating performance that belies its size. Boasting a total power output of 650 horsepower and 749 pound-feet of torque, the i7 M70 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The i7 M70 offers a level of control that is unmatched in its class. Standard M Sport brakes ensure precise and responsive stopping power, and the xDrive all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability. Step inside the i7 M70 and be transported to a world of opulence. The interior is crafted with the finest materials, including extended merino leather upholstery and a black panel center console with brushed aluminum accents. The touch-sensitive controls add a modern touch to the luxurious ambiance. The panoramic Sky Lounge roof floods the cabin with natural light, while the massaging front seats and luxury rear seating package ensure that every journey is a relaxing experience. The i7 M70 is packed with cutting-edge technology. The Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system delivers a concert hall quality audio experience, while the 31-inch 8K backseat screen provides an immersive entertainment experience for rear seat passengers. The car's advanced infotainment system offers seamless connectivity and intuitive operation. The i7 M70 is more than just a car. It's a statement of luxury and innovation. Next, we delve into the pinnacle of luxury, the Rolls-Royce Phantom Series. An untamable legend, the Phantom stands alone at the apex of luxury motoring. It is not just a car, it is an icon for icons, a masterpiece crafted for the few who command its splendor. One of the most striking features of the Phantom is its hand-painted peony pink coach line, which is flawlessly set against the distinctive Monteverde exterior. The Phantom features enhanced exterior black detailing, dark windscreen, taillight, and exhaust surrounds that embolden the car's athletic stature, enhancing its powerful and commanding road presence. Step inside, and you are greeted by a world of unparalleled craftsmanship and bespoke artistry. At the heart of this is the gallery, a unique, glass-enclosed space that spans the entire length of the motor car's fascia. This is not just a dashboard, it is a canvas for bespoke works of art. Every detail in the Phantom's interior is a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to excellence. The Shooting Star headliner is a perfect example, made from hundreds of fiber optic lights delicately fitted into the leather roof lining. From hand-stitched leather to customized embroidery, every detail can be tailored to the owner's preferences, making each Phantom truly unique. Powering this majestic machine is a 6.75-liter V12 engine that glides over the roads with an effortless grace. The Phantom doesn't just drive, it floats. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. Let's step into a realm of sophistication and luxury with the Range Rover SV. This is not just an SUV, it's the epitome of refined elegance, the finest Range Rover ever created. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Range Rover SV commands admiration. Every touchpoint has been meticulously designed, from the luxurious gloss-white ceramic controls to the finely stitched leather. The SV is equipped with two exclusive 13.1-inch touchscreens in the rear, wireless charging, and a 29-speaker Meridian signature sound system, offering passengers all the information and entertainment they could need. The seats can be trimmed in either Windsor leather or leather-free ultra fabrics, ensuring a personalized experience that caters to every taste. It features a veneer topper with integrated ambient lighting, creating a serene environment for passengers. The rear seat touchscreen controller with wireless charging allows those in the back to control everything from comfort settings to entertainment options. The SV Signature Suite brings Range Rover comfort into even sharper focus with features like electrically deployed cup holders and an illuminated console fridge door, which can be conveniently operated from the rear seat touchscreen controller. The advanced air suspension ensures a silky smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails. With a powerful V8 engine producing over 600 horsepower, the Range Rover SV is more than just a pretty face. The Genesis G90 is a testament to the brand's commitment to creating vehicles that are as stunning to look at as they are to drive. The G90's attention to detail is evident in every aspect of its exterior, from its signature grille to its flowing body lines. Step inside the G90, and you're greeted by a luxurious and inviting interior. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with premium materials and exquisite finishes used throughout. The rear seats are a haven of relaxation, with rear seat comfort features that include reclining seats, adjustable headrests, and a customizable climate control system. The available Bang & Olufsen Premier 3D sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, with 23 speaker units and 2 separate amplifiers. The G90's infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, with a large touchscreen display that puts all of your favorite features at your fingertips. Security and convenience are also top priorities in the G90. With the fingerprint unlock door, getting into your car is as simple as a touch. The 8-speed automatic transmission, coupled with a robust 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine, delivers an impressive 375 horsepower, ensuring that every drive is smooth, powerful, and exhilarating. The G90's multi-chamber air suspension provides a comfortable and refined ride, even on the roughest roads. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is a testament to the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Designed to provide an unparalleled level of comfort and sophistication, the Maybach offers a sanctuary of tranquility and refinement. The rear compartment is a particularly impressive space, with ample legroom and a variety of amenities to cater to even the most discerning traveler. The Maybach is equipped with the latest in automotive technology. The MBUX Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass dashboard display, offers an immersive experience with voice control, augmented reality, and personalized settings. It's like having a personal assistant with you at all times, with the ability to control entertainment and comfort functions from their seats. The ambient lighting creates a soothing and inviting atmosphere, while the selection of high-quality materials ensures a luxurious and comfortable experience. Think executive rear seats with a massage function, a refrigerated compartment, and even silver-plated champagne flutes. The exterior of the Maybach is equally impressive, with its distinctive grille and elegant lines conveying a sense of prestige and sophistication. The powerful V8 or V12 engine delivers a smooth and refined driving experience, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability. The Maybach's advanced suspension system provides a comfortable and stable ride, even on the most challenging roads. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is more than just a car. It's a symbol of luxury and refinement. And there you have it, the top 5 luxury cars that redefine what it means to drive in style. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.